Is Apache Kafka a messaging system or a streaming platform? If you've ever Googled this or heard contradictory answers from developers, don't worry. This post will clear it up once and for all. Why this question matters. In interviews, this question reveals your understanding of Kafka's role in system design. If you call it just a messaging system, you're missing half the picture. If you say it's a streaming platform but can't explain how messaging fits in, you'll seem confused. So let's break it down. Kafka as a messaging system. Kafka does messaging, no doubt. Just like RabbitMQ or ActiveMQ, Kafka lets producers send messages and consumers receive them. Messages are grouped into topics. Kafka brokers handle storage and delivery. Producers push messages to Kafka. Consumers pull messages from Kafka. Kafka supports publish, subscribe, and point-to-point via consumer groups, messaging patterns. So yes, Kafka is a messaging system. But here's where it goes further. Kafka as a streaming platform. Kafka isn't just about sending messages, it's about what you do with them after they arrive. Kafka supports persistent storage of messages for days, weeks, or longer. Replayability. Consumers can rewind and reprocess data, real-time stream processing via tools like Kafka Streams and KSQLDB integration with stream processing engines like Apache Flink or Apache Spark. This means you can not only transfer data, but also transform, filter, and aggregate it all in real time. That's the power of a streaming platform. Kafka does both, and that's the magic. Kafka started as a high-throughput distributed messaging system, but evolved into a full event streaming platform. It powers real-time pipelines that are scalable, durable, fault-tolerant, stream-friendly. Kafka is like the data highway that connects all your services, databases, dashboards, and analytics engines in real time. How companies use Kafka. To put it in context, as a messaging system, Kafka connects microservices in Uber's infrastructure. Kafka delivers order events in Amazon-style e-commerce apps. As a streaming platform, Kafka Streams aggregates clickstream data for analytics. KSQLDB processes fraud detection rules on the fly in banks. Kafka integrates with Spark and Flink for ML pipelines. It's not either or, it's both and. Interview tip: what to say. If you're asked this in an interview, say, Kafka is both a messaging system and a distributed event streaming platform. It supports traditional message queuing patterns, but also provides stream storage, replayability, and real-time processing via Kafka Streams and KSQLDB, making it much more than a basic message broker. This shows depth and clarity and positions you as someone who understands Kafka's full capabilities. Real-life analogy. Imagine you're in a newsroom, messaging system, a mail cart delivering memos, streaming platform, a live news broadcast, plus archive, plus editing tools, all running in real time. Kafka can be the mail cart and the live newsroom control center. Final thoughts. Apache Kafka sits at the intersection of data movement and real-time processing. It handles messaging needs like RabbitMQ. It enables stream processing like Spark streaming. It stores data like a mini-log database. It's not limited by one label. Kafka is the foundation for building scalable, event-driven systems.